How to use the 24-hour clock on macOS. If you prefer the 24-hour time format instead of the standard AM and PM format, you can easily change this setting on your Mac. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Next, select System Settings. Now, click General from the sidebar. Then, select Date and Time. Here, you'll find the 24-hour time option. Turn it on to change your Mac's clock to the 24-hour format. Once enabled, your Mac will immediately display the time using the 24-hour system. For example, instead of showing 2 p.m., the clock will display 1400. This setting also changes how the time is displayed in other areas of macOS that use the system time format. If you want to customize the clock even further, go back to System Settings, select Control Center, and look for the Menu Bar Only section. Depending on your version of macOS, you may also find additional options for how the clock appears in the menu bar. If you ever want to switch back to the standard 12-hour format, simply return to General, select Date and Time, and turn off 24-hour time. And that's it. This is how you can enable or disable the 24-hour clock on your Mac and easily switch between the two time formats. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.